Yeah, that's the name.
We are the original, silly little YouTube channel on your internet machine. The best you've ever seen. Hit that like button now. Subscribe for a while. Comment what you think is true. Join our members crew. Only $4.99 a month. That's a steal, that's a stunt. On the wall by the road, you'll be a part of our family. No religion talk, no politics here, no controversial junk, no fear, no outlandish stuff, no way, just good vibes every single day. Don't need no inappropriate conduct here. No time for stupidity. And always try to have a good time and make yourself happy while doing something day you can smile about tomorrow. Only $4.99 a month. That's a steal, that's a stunt.
Alright, everybody. Here on the Chronicles of Dad Broke Zelda. Nope. Dad broke Fireball. Potentially broke Fireball. We're going to see if we can potentially find what broke it to do. This is going to be a nice, wonderful pain because we have not lifted the back end of the car up. We'll work on getting all this stuff out of the way. But I also have the handheld ratchet, so I should be able just to, you know, block off the socket, blop it on, and bada bing, bada boom, we still don't fit. Yeah, I don't know how the hell I'm doing that. Whatever, we'll get the top ones first. If he broke it the same way I broke mine, I have enough leftover parts. So I guess we'll see. I don't know how I'm going to get this bottom one. Bottom bolt.
Wrench won't fit.
No. Well, the wrench might. Problem being is just getting it over the lift.
Was it 13?
13. 13 and far from in between. So it was summertime in central North Carolina. A pipe wrench.
Huh?
A pipe wrench.
Ain't a pipe wrench.
Then what is it?
It's a line wrench.
Whatever. I don't think that's going to do it.
I was trying to get you a little bit of angle in there. I do have something else I might use. See if this is it. That's the one that's kind of left up.
That'll do, pig.
I don't see no gears falling out yet.
It's barely open.
I could go get a flashlight, couldn't I?
Yeah. This smell is wonderful. Tell y'all what, there's not a smell I like more than used gear oil. maybe burnt ATF. Gonna make that into a candle. Alright, we're gonna have a dramatic reveal right here. It'd be wrong for me to peek at it without him here. What's really gonna be bad is if it doesn't look like anything's wrong. There's all 10 bolts out of this 10 bolt. Again, you want to know how you know it's a 10 bolt? It's only got 10 bolts. Y'all can go ahead and wrap it. It's okay. All right, I'm waiting on you, boo boo.
Did you get it on?
I got all 10 on. All right, are y'all ready?
And wouldn't you know, it's gonna be right where we can't see it.
What you mean, right where you can't see it? I see what the problem is.
What?
Your pin broke.
What do you mean it broke?
Yeah, your blocks. Ah. You hear that?
Yeah, I do.
Well, something is very not happy. Without it in the air and able to rotate it, I can't tell you what it is, but I can tell you that no good. That no good.
You keep saying that not good. What? I don't have my glasses on. What am I looking at?
There's a hole in the pin right there.
Oh hell! Let me get my glasses on. I
Yeah,
ain't
put
seen
your
a
dang
hole.
glasses on. This is important. Like I said, you can.
Oh shit!
Yeah. Oh no, that's no good.
Yeah, that right there's not even hooked to nothing. I broke that out.
No, this is not broke.
Yeah.
That you can still see it going all the way through it.
No, you can't.
I can.
No, you can't. No, you can't. Go get that sharp thing. It's broke. I see it. I got my glasses on.
What size did we determine that was?
10 or 11, I think. Oh, 5/16, I believe.
That sounds about right. So, what we've learned is don't reuse old shit. Tell me.
That thing's broke.
Are we willing to put money on it?
I'll admit if I'm wrong, but that's broke. That just come out of this part, not all the way through it. Boom.
See, it ain't even broke.
Yeah, exactly.
Which I think that'll be okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it should still come out.
Yeah, it's gonna come out.
Because it broke this.
Yeah. So you'll need a new pin and need a retainer. Again, that top block I can move it.
So, I mean, we're going to have to do
Probably a
a
shim
shim just
at
like
the
we did
minimum.
yours. But we're going to have to figure out how to get it where we can turn it. And we still got to get the wheels off, correct?
Yeah, because we'll have to pull the axles. Well,
Because I can't.
to
we
shim
can't-
it, yes.
We can't do it like we did.
No.
I might be able to come up with something. It just have to be right here.
so we can take the exhaust off. But let me snag a picture and put it on screen for y'all.
Well, y'all, let me.
But
We'll put.
here's that pin
I'll let it. Yeah,
that's supposed to be in there.
and I'll let him show y'all what. Evidently, that pin come out, and that's what locked.
I guarantee what happened is the pin broke, allowing this to go in and out because it is not flush right now.
No, and it's
what
come out and
happened
hit
is
that
it's
gear.
yeah, it's coming
Look.
back and it's hitting the gear.
Look at that gear right there. It's chipped that gear right there.
Yeah.
Yep, that's exactly what it was. And there's the part that broke.
No,
Oh shit! I hope that ain't a tooth.
that's a tooth. It'll be fine.
Oh, it's gonna have to be fine.
Well, boo-boo.
Well,
Hey, you got a hole in your trunk.
yeah, I let the water out.
Oh.
I pushed it out.
Okay, be right back.
Thank y'all. That's.
Watching our video. We hope to see you tomorrow for another episode of Never Done Projects. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. And tell them if these idiots can do it, we can too.